Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a bootable Windows 10 USB and setting BIOS or UEFI to boot it. This gives you repair tools. Once done, boot the USB and choose Repair Your Computer, not Install. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Pick Startup Repair first, because it scans boot files and fixes common causes of the loop. Make sure to let the automated repair run fully. If it reports fixed items, reboot immediately to test whether the loop cleared. If Startup Repair fails, open Command Prompt and run bootrec commands to restore the bootloader. Each command targets a specific component. Then run chkdskc/f/r to repair file system errors and bad sectors, because corrupted system files often trigger the loop. Once those complete, rebuild the BCD with bootrec/rebuild. If you get access denied, use attrib shrc /boot/BCD to clear attributes, then retry. After these steps, reboot and watch for progress past the logo. If the system still loops, use System Restore from Advanced Options to return to a working point. If that is unavailable, choose Reset this PC and select Keep My Files to preserve data while reinstalling system files. Make sure to back up critical files first by accessing them through WinPE or by connecting the drive to another machine. As a final tip, test RAM with memtest86 and check SSD health. Recurring loops after repair often mean failing hardware, so replace the defective part to stop the cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.